In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a document in a DocuSign template. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the Templates section. This is where DocuSign stores your saved templates, including the documents, recipient roles, and fields that are already set up for future use. Next, find the template that contains the document you want to replace. When you locate it, open the Templates Actions menu and choose Edit. In DocuSign, editing a template gives you access to the files, recipients, and recipient fields saved inside that template. So this is where all of your changes will happen. After that, open the Documents section of the template. Here, look for the option to replace the existing document, if that option is available in your current DocuSign interface. Depending on the version or layout you're using, the wording or placement may look a little different. But the goal is the same. You want to swap out the old file for a new one without rebuilding the entire template from scratch. Now select the new document from your computer and upload the replacement file. Once the upload is complete, take a moment to review the document carefully and confirm that the correct file has been added. This is especially important if you work with multiple versions of similar documents. Next, check all of the existing fields, including signature fields, text fields, date fields, checkboxes, and any other items already placed in the template. If the formatting or layout of the new document is different from the original, some of those fields may no longer line up properly. If that happens, reposition or adjust them so they match the correct locations on the new document. After reviewing the fields, also review the recipients and recipient roles. Make sure everything still matches the intended signing flow and that the template is configured the way you want before saving. When everything looks good, select Save and close to save the updated template. Then return to the Templates section and open the updated template again to verify that the new document is now being used. To test the update in a real sending flow, select Use to create a new envelope from the template. Before sending, review the replacement document one more time along with all fields to make sure everything appears correctly. When the document is ready, select Send. Thanks for watching.